So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket, and today we'll be exploring how you can do video editing using Gemini Omni, Google's best AI video creation model so far. Unfortunately, the model is not free. So you need to have a pro subscription for Gemini that I already have. If you look at the bottom left, you can see that I have a pro subscription here. So how to get started, how to create and do video editing, it's very easy. I will be testing out a few prompts as well as a few reels also. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to click on this plus sign and go to create video section. And here you need to upload your reel. So I have created a reel that I want to edit now. So this is a reel where a boy is talking to ChatGPT. So what I will do here, I will try to convert it into an animated video. Convert it into an animated movie. Change hoodie color to, let's say, orange. So yes, this is the prompt that I'm trying to feed in, and let's hit enter. Make sure the rights to any content you upload, I think this is very important. You need to agree on this. I'll say agreed. And yeah, let's see how much time does it take. So this is how video editing has become so easy. So now being a YouTube content creator is just nothing. You just need to type in your prompt, editor, upload a video, and editing would also be done by AI only. That's the best part. So here you can see that first of all, I'm doing a minor change that is converted into an animated movie, change hoodie color to orange. This might take some while. So it's, and as you know, video editing takes some time. It requires a lot of GPU resources at the back end. It's not as fast as text generation or image generation. So it's a 10-second video that you can see that will take some time generating your video. This could take a few minutes. So by the time this is generating it here, let me create a new chat. Let me create a video. We will again upload another prompt this time, another video this time. Yeah, this is the guy, as you can see. Replace the guy with a donkey head. This would be very interesting edit to see. It's analyzing it. And the model is quite fast, I would say. Defining the editing task. This is still running on our previous is converted into an animated movie. Change hoodie color to orange. It generates audios also. To remember that can generate dialogues also for you. Replace the guy's task with a donkey head. So I have initiated two tasks for now. That's the interesting part. Again, the video editing has started now. So we'll pause for a while here. And once we come back, we should see both our edits done. So this is very easy now. Just give a prompt, upload a video, and Gemini Omni will take care of everything else for us. As you can see on my screen, the video is ready and we have a donkey face replacing the guy.
I have a joke about infinity.
Will it ever end?
No.
This is how the edit would look like. Looks quite interesting. I can't generate that video. That try describing another idea. I think let me check this one. So yeah, here you can see that this is another one animated movie. Change hoodie color to orange. It is able to do that too.
ChatGPT, solve this IIT JEE problem. Now solve it the way my coaching teacher wants.
And yes, just see the quality of edits it is able to do. It is able to edit the video in the same way as is mentioned in the prompt. This is also not a detailed prompt. So Gemini Omni, as you can see, is a very powerful model and is able to tweak in minor details too. So with this, it's a wrap. I hope you try out Gemini Omni for your video editing skills. You can take up any video, change the color, change the characters, and make it more interesting. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.